you're running out of ideas and you have some potatoes in your kitchen, which you can whip up within 10 to 20 minutes. Try out this easy and simple, flavorful, incredibly delicious, vegan-friendly breakfast potatoes, which are going to turn out awesome. Serve as a main dish, side dish, and every bite is going to be delicious. Because the recipe is going to be super fast, you're going to prep up all your fresh ingredients, and I've already done that. So I have 3 large potatoes that are peeled, chopped into bite-sized pieces, 1 large zucchini, I have 1 large carrot, 1 large onion, coriander, 4 cloves of garlic, a few spices which you're going to find listed in the description box in the right quantity. So we are going to start off by parboiling our potatoes. And you are going to place a pot over medium flame. Add in 3 cups of water, or enough water to submerge the potatoes. Carefully place in your potatoes. The trick to making the perfectly evenly cooked potatoes is to place them in cold water because they are going to boil evenly. We're going to add in some seasoning because we don't want some bland potatoes. So I'm going to add in half a teaspoon, cover, and then I'm going to wait for the water to come to a boil. Then you're going to boil your potatoes for around 3 to 4 minutes. That is going to cook the potatoes halfway. I'm going to check on my potatoes, which have been cooking for 3 minutes. I'm going to use a skewer and check on my potatoes. Once the skewer can run through with a little bit of force, the potatoes are ready. So you're going to cover and drain off the water. This is how your potatoes are going to be looking. So you're going to uncover and let the excess moisture escape while you place another pan over medium flame. You're going to add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Transfer your potatoes in. Pan fry your potatoes for around 1 minute per side, or until the potatoes get a very nice color. And the olive oil is going to add in so much flavor to the recipe. Because the potatoes are halfway cooked, it's going to be very easy for you to pan fry without the potatoes breaking apart. So just toss as they're cooking until you get that lovely color. When frying your potatoes, if you notice that the olive oil is not enough, you can add in a little bit more and fry your potatoes until they look just like mine. As you can see, they have a very nice, gorgeous, golden brown color. The edges are crisp and the inside is nice and tender. So because my potatoes are ready, just listen to that crunch. I'm going to be throwing in my carrots. Cook together with the oil. You're going to toss the carrots together with the potatoes. Add in your zucchini. You're adding in all your veggies that take time to cook. Then you're going to toss everything. Cook for around a minute or so. Add in a little bit of salt. Toss. You can add in a little bit more oil for the veggies to cook. Don't use your spatula because the potatoes are going to break down and you don't want that. Everything is looking so good. I'm going to reduce the flames to low so that the carrots and zucchini can cook. I'm also going to be adding in some light soy sauce, which is going to add in a very nice umami flavor to the breakfast potatoes. I'm going to add in around 1.5 tablespoons. Sauce. If your flipping game is not perfect, you can use a spatula and carefully stir the potatoes. After a minute, you'll notice that the zucchini and carrots are softening up. So I'm going to be adding in a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, paprika, and oregano, and some black pepper. And all these spices are going to add in a very nice flavor to the potatoes. Toss once more. Add in my onions at this point, which are thinly sliced together with my garlic. Cook your onions and garlic for around a minute, and everything is going to take around 8 to 10 minutes to stir fry. Wow, I absolutely love how the onions are looking. Everything is perfectly cooked. The carrots are tender but not overcooked together with the zucchini. So now I'm going to check the seasoning before garnishing. So good. So I've added in a little bit more salt. Toss. Cook for around 30 seconds so that the salt can absorb into the veggies. And because I don't want to overcook everything, I'm going to garnish with some coriander. Which is going to add in lots of color. Put off the flames. Toss once more. You can add in some parsley if you don't like coriander. This looks absolutely delicious. I'm going to pick a plate for serving up my vegan-friendly breakfast potatoes. I love the outcome of my breakfast potatoes. As you can see, it's quite colorful because we have different vegetables. It's flavorful, well seasoned, and it's a perfect way to whip up some delicious dish in a matter of minutes. So this is a recipe worth trying because all you need is a few veggies, and also you can tweak the recipe by throwing in some more veggies, maybe like cauliflower, broccoli, some eggplant to the recipe, and everything is going to be delicious. Hope you'll be giving this recipe a try.